Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Put Your Makeup On. For today's video, we are going back to basics and doing a really simple, beginner-friendly Valentine's Day look. Let me know in the comments down below if you are excited for Valentine's Day, and if you want to know how to get this look, this is how we do it on Put Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. I'm starting off with my favorite Milani eyeshadow primer just to ensure that nothing creases, and I'm popping that all over the eye, of course. Then we are jumping into the Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in the shade Creme Brulee and popping that all over the eye, and that is honestly it for eyeshadow on the top. For eyeliner, I'm using the Tarte Double Take eyeliner. We are using both ends today, the felt tip as my liquid and then the pencil for the lower lash line. If you guys want to see a video on how to do winged eyeliner, I will of course have that video down below, as well as a card for you so you could see more in depth on how to apply winged eyeliner. And then of course just using the other side for my waterline area. I love how this doesn't smudge or bleed throughout the day. For mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I really like this one for length and definition. It hugs and hooks every single solitary little lash, and it's amazing. Moving right along to the rest of the face, I'm using the Dr.Brandt Pores No More as my primer. I love the way it minimizes the appearance of my pores and gives me that silky softness under my foundation. I'm using the Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild. I am using the shade Soft Beige, and I'm using the applicator to apply it that way. I really like this foundation for a nice natural look, and of course I love it even more because of how nice and affordable it is. I'm trying to use more sponges in my tutorials, so I'm just using my damp beauty blender to blend this all in. I love the way it just makes the skin look nice and healthy and natural looking. It never feels heavy or makeup-y or cakey, and it's just a great affordable foundation. I am in love with it. I'm using the Kat Von D Locket Tattoo Concealer, and it just gives beautiful coverage under the eyes. Of course, my dark circles are crazy, and honestly, I wanted to keep this easy and not do color corrector under my eyes. So I'm just blending this in with my beauty blender as well. I'm taking a very small little amount of the Mercier translucent loose powder, and I'm just popping that over the concealer just to help set it. That way I don't have to worry about creasing, especially under the eyes. And then I'm also using this method to set the rest of my face just so that my blush and highlighter are easier to blend in. I'm going to be skipping bronzer today and moving straight to blush, and for that I'm using the Essence Silky Touch Blush, which is a nice like soft pink shade. Definitely wanted to give a little bit of color back into my skin. And then I'm using the Bare Minerals Invisible Glow highlighter in the shade Fair to Light, and I'm actually using this with my sponge as well to almost kind of give me that glowy, healthy, lit skin from within. I really like the way this blends in with the sponge. The main color I'm using today is from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. This really hot pink fun shade on my lower lash line, and I'm using a small little pencil brush to give me really good precision under the eyes. Definitely when you're using a shade like this, I recommend just taking your time blending this in. It took me a couple times to build up that saturation, so again, if you are a beginner of using these types of colors, again, just take your time blending them in, work slowly, and you'll be fine, I promise. definitely don't want to forget the lower lashes, and I'm just popping the mascara on there as well so they don't look naked. And then lastly for lips, I'm using the Sephora liquid lip in the shade number 13, Marvelous Mauve, which is a kiss-proof liquid lipstick, and I just love the way that this look turned out. What do you guys think? So that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this video, and also let me know your plans for Valentine's Day. I will have all the products listed down below like always. Be sure to come back to my channel every Monday and Thursday for a brand new video, and I shall see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye!